Every year we see students afraid of appearing in exam and anxious, particularly about board examinations. Before we try to deal with exam fear, it is crucial to understand what it entails. Hello and welcome to our channel. In this video, we will try to understand why students fear exams and how to deal with exam fear. Exam fear refers to the feelings of stress, anxiety and apprehension that arise when facing an upcoming exam. What are the causes of examination stress? Here are some causes which we can think of. Lack of preparation, performance pressure, fear of judgment, previous negative experiences, comparison with peers, and thinking about results rather than focusing on preparation. Let us discuss each of these in detail along with some solutions to eliminate examination fear and anxiety. Lack of preparation. Insufficient preparation or feeling unprepared for exam can lead to anxiety. If you are going for an exam and do not have the required preparation, this is bound to happen. Students sometimes do not feel like studying throughout the year and only start preparing a few days before the exam. In this situation, anxiety is caused by lack of confidence in answering questions, fear of failure or the embarrassment of poor performance. The only solution is to plan your preparation well ahead of the examination. To perform well in an exam, a student is not required to be a bookworm and to abandon all sorts of entertainment. A student has to judiciously divide the syllabus and plan every day's study schedule well in advance. Only planning will not help unless the plan is executed correctly. There can be many temptations in life, but succumbing to any temptation for short-term pleasure is not a clever idea. If your exam is knocking on the door, you cannot plan now. You need to do something within this short time frame to save this exam. You can find out some areas of your syllabus that have maximum weightage on your exam and can be covered quickly. Now we will discuss performance pressure for a student. Many a times our parents set a target for us. They expect a certain percentage or rank from us and we are tagged as failure if we cannot meet their expectation. We could be rebuked, humiliated or punished for failure. Setting a target is good as it can help students to maintain their momentum. Speed drops typically without a deadline, whether for study, a race or a cricket match. But this needs to be ensured that the target is realistic and is not causing any unnecessary pressure on the student. We have to find out how the target is decided. Most of the time, the benchmark is set by comparing it with someone else. It must be corrected as everyone has their own strengths and weaknesses and you cannot compare them. Though chasing a benchmark can act positively on some, it can harm most students. The performance pressure makes them afraid even to perform despite having preparation. They lose their usual attitude towards examination. Next we will discuss fear of judgment. Exams often involve evaluation and grading by others such as teachers or professors. The fear of being judged based on exam results can be daunting as individuals may worry about their competence or how others perceive them. I have met many students, many of whom despite good preparation are reluctant to get evaluated by others. I would say, judge yourself, and if you see yourself passed as per your judgment, then just appear in the examination without thinking of the result. Another factor impacting a student's morale is previous negative experiences. Sometimes students have past experiences where they performed poorly in exam. This develops a fear of embarrassment or humiliation in them. The fear of repeating those experiences creates anxiety in them. Teachers and guardians are responsible for talking positively and motivating a student. Giving feedback is not bad, but our feedback should be constructive and should radiate a light of hope. The next cause is one which a student is most afraid of. It is comparison with peers. Comparison with peers is the most formidable challenge for a student. They always find their guardians comparing them with other students in their class or neighbor's kid. As a result, a student even starts telling lies to parents by reducing their friends' marks. If a student secures fewer marks than others, it is not proven that they are worse. It is just a situation and the student can always perform better in the subsequent examination provided his morale is kept high. It does not make any sense to compare with others. The performance of an average student can be used as a standard for judging the difficulty level of an exam rather than for forecasting a student's potential. Finally, the most important cause is thinking about results rather than focusing on preparation. Concentrating on results without fixing the cause is wrong for any activity, not just examination. The result of a work depends on many parameters. Let us imagine that you have prepared well for your test, but unfortunately the paper is too tough or you fell ill on the examination date. Your preparation is in your control, but the paper or other external factors are not in your possession. So focus on whatever you can control, like your preparation, and do not waste time thinking about results. So to sum up, preparation should start with a plan and continue for the entire year. A student should not be compared with peers. Constructive feedback is essential to keep morale high. Just focus on the preparation that is only in your control and no need to think about results. Keep these in your mind, apply them to your daily life and see the difference. Let us know in the comment section whether it helped you. If you liked the video and find it helpful, please share with your friends. Please click the like button and subscribe to our channel. Let us know any other topic you want us to discuss in the following video. Till then, bye.